Hi, welcome to the Bird Live workout channel. Today we're going to be focusing on ab work, core work, what have you, some proper ways to go about doing so that you can make sure that you are as effective as possible. All right, so core work, ab work, crunches, etc. We'll do a few exercises that will help get you on your day. All right, this activity, you're going to be utilizing both your legs and your arms simultaneously. So again, doing them from the floor is good. You can do them from a bench, what have you, okay? All right, so basically we're going to take one arm. In this case, I'm going to use my right, and then I'm also going to use my left leg. So it's opposite arm, opposite leg. All right, and you're going to make them meet at the top. Crunch up, and again, try to use your chest, or lead with the chest first. All right, not your head. Meet the body parts at the top, and then relax. And again, 20 to 30 repetitions, or 20 to 30 seconds. All right, 4 to 5 sets. When it's time to switch, use the left hand or the other arm, right leg or the other leg. Again, lead with your chest first. All right, these same exercises you can actually do from the floor. For the sake of this video, I'm going to actually use my bench because it's easier to demonstrate. But you can do these from the floor. All right. So basically, it's a basic crunch. All right. Make sure that you are your head is perfectly aligned with your body. All right. You don't want to pull up leading with your head first. You want to pull up leading with your chest first, all right? That takes strain off of your neck. A lot of people, when they do crunches or sit-ups, the first thing they do is pull on their head, which is a no, all right? You don't want strain on your neck, what have you, so you want to make sure that you are leading up with your chest up, and that actually engages your abs just a little bit more, all right? So you can do as many as you can. I try to keep core work reps up as high as 20 to 30, or you can actually use the second clock. 30 seconds is good. 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off, what have you, if you want to be just a little bit more challenging. But again, you can actually put your arms across your chest, just like so. That way you're leading up with your chest first, all right? And not pulling on your head or your neck to conduct the activity. All right. 4 to 5 sets of 20 to 30 or 20 to 30 seconds. You will be fine. It should only take no more than 5 to 10 minutes to get that workout done. Next is a basic Russian twist. And again, I'm going to actually use the bench to better demonstrate. But you can actually use the floor. Try to actually find a stable place for your feet so that your feet are not flopping all over the place, just so that you can actually get the best results for a Russian twist. And a Russian twist is nothing but taking your hands from hip to hip or side to side. Notice that I actually lean back just halfway a bit. All right. And again, if your feet are braced, where they're immobile, then that actually allows you to play around with how deep you want to actually lean back or how less resistant you want to be when you're leaning back. But basically, you're just taking both hands side to side, just like so. All right. If you want to use weight, you can. If you have weight, you can. You don't have to, but weights do intensify the activity. So even if you don't have weights, You can get a jug of water and you can fill it up. That's the cheapest way that you can actually incorporate weights into your life or into your workout. Get a jug of water, fill it up if it's empty, and then use it as your weight. All right, you can go side to side. And again, 4 to 5 sets, 20 and 30 reps, or you can use the second clock, which is 20 to 30 seconds for each activity. All right, and again, you're just taking your hands and going from side to side, hip to hip, and make sure you get that twist.